In today's lesson, I'll show you how to add a festive Christmas outro to any song that ends in the key of B major. Here's some notes C for reference. We'll start with the left hand. We'll go down the chromatic scale and play B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, and end with B octaves. On the right, we'll play B and D sharp together. We'll play this 3 times, another 3 times, then we'll play it once more, and we'll play F sharp, B, C sharp, and end with F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. We'll play both hands together to give us our B major 7 chord. Now let's add this ending to any song that ends with B or B major 7. Instead of the simple B or B major 7, we'll play our ending like so. What if your song ends in a different key? Well, I have you covered with the following tutorials. The links are in the description and comment section.